This is Rylan, and today we're checking out the tornado simulator thingy, and it's pretty awesome. There's the funnel of it. See if you can see on top of it. Oh gosh, it's going away, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, by two fans, two of these things, if you can ever make it. Where did it go? And now it's like fading away and stuff. You should see, yeah, you can see it come right back up. It's not forming. There it goes. It's like ready to write the form. Grandpa, back it up a little before it can form. There we go. It's getting rotated, and you can see a little bit of just, it's right there. It's like trying to get out. Should right now. Grandpa, move that. Let me make this thing form. Okay, and it's a touchdown. And make sure you slap that like button and crush that subscribe button. And I'll see you later, homies. Peace.